Welcome back. The name Yummy Bakeries may ring a bell, but there is more to learn about the company. So let's take a bite out of the story behind Yummy Bakeries and discover some new baking flavors, one loaf at a time.
The aroma of freshly baked goods signals the start of the operations at Yummy Bakeries. The brand actually predates its parent company, Baking Enterprises in 1988 Limited, under which it operates as a subsidiary. Marketing and Communications Manager Novia Henry explains.
The company started in the 1970s, and we have moved locations from downtown Kingston to Hagley Park Road and now we're in Williamsfield. So the company is over 50 years old. And some of the brands that we carry, they're way older than 50 years old.
While Yummy is known for supplying traditional baked products such as breads, bullas, cakes, and buns, the company is looking to expand its product line to include new offerings.
We're going to be showcasing this at the JMEA Expo. So we want to invite Jamaica to come and taste some of our new products and our existing products.
How new is this product?
The cornbread, just last year. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Also, it's not on the market?
No, but we revamped the product. So it's ready now for the market, new and improved.
Okay, so
we have a cornbread.
With market competition, what makes the Yummy brand unique?
What sets us aside from our competitors are our brand differentiation strategy as well as brand positioning. I said earlier, best in value, best in taste is not just a tagline. It's really how we go to market.
She says that despite market fluctuations, the company has maintained affordable pricing for its products.
Regardless of what took place during COVID-19 and what's happening in Ukraine, we just had a recent price increase, which is quite minute compared to what we could have given Jamaica. But we decided that we'd absorb some of the cost because we want to keep our products not just relevant, but affordable to our Jamaican populace.
The family-owned company has 2 additional companies under its umbrella, Wholesome and the Dr. Luscious brand. It also has an impressive market reach.
It spans a number of industries. So we have the baked goods industry, and together with our sister company, we control about 80% of baked goods distribution in Jamaica.
So what about earnings?
Last year was a pretty good year for us. Last year, I would say, is perhaps one of our best years. This year, I started out phenomenally. We're growing. We continue to, as I say, look for ways to maximize value to all our stakeholders. And so we're in growth mode. And
Mr. Lee says the company gauges its success through customer satisfaction and employment growth. With over 600 employees and available job vacancies, the company is looking to explore export options in the future. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.